Okay, here I'm going to model what we are working on in slide number 3. So slide number 3 says New York City. And I have to think, is that a sentence or is it a fragment? New York City. Well, I know New York City is a place, but I don't know anything about anything else. So this is a fragment, writers, because I don't have any information here about New York City. Now I know the setting of the story, Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing, takes place in New York City. And I know that because Peter and his family live in New York City. Now remember, writers, just like we had to use a capital D for dribble, New York City is a proper noun, so I need to use a capital N, capital Y, and a capital C. Peter and his family live in New York City. Does this look like a sentence, writers? It's getting close. I have my capitals, but I need a punctuation mark at the end. So again, I'm going to choose a period. I'm going to move on also to slide number 4. Slide number 4, Peter's biggest problem. Peter's biggest problem. Well, I know that this group of words is trying to tell me about Peter and what his biggest problem is, maybe, but do I know what Peter's biggest problem is? It's not telling me. So this, again, is a fragment. And I'm going to retype those words right up here in this box. I need to retype these words, okay? I can't change them. I need to use the words that are in the box. So who or what is Peter's biggest problem? Do you remember, writers? Yes, Fudge, his younger brother, is Peter's biggest problem. And I'm going to choose an exclamation mark to make this sentence look right. So it was a fragment. The F is here for fragment. Peter's biggest problem. I changed it into a sentence. Fudge is Peter's biggest problem. And I made it look like a sentence because I have a capital F for Fudge, a capital P for Peter, and an exclamation mark at the end.